So last week you guys joined me as I got adjusted to my new life. I'm getting used to being busy again, balancing work, family, and now exercising. This week, I'm finding out what confidence is really about. What's up?
In 1.4 exit onto I-1
Me, Kirsten.
Cousin Kirsten.
Cousin.
This angle is really not like this.
That's why I wasn't talking.
You're like,
I'm like trying to like. And now we're off to go see Marissa.
oh yeah.
Callie.
Yeah, we're going to go see Marissa and Callie. We got the pups with us in the back. We're working out later today. How you feeling about this workout?
I'm a little nervous.
Oh, happy 1st of the month.
Yeah.
All right, you guys, it is about 3:30. We are heading to a workout with my trainer and Emmy. And guess what? Kirsten, she was trying to get out of it. She's like, do I need to come? And I said, yes.
Because if I'm uncomfortable, I'm growing.
That's right. You guys remember my trainer, Chris, right? From my first vlog series? Well, we've remained close, and him and his wife, Emmy, have been amazing to me this past year, just as friends and motivators to me. Chris is really passionate about fitness because he's passionate about helping people. A lot has changed since I first introduced you guys to him in 2018, and he has a different stance on fitness now. If you have a question about fitness, you don't know where to start, or maybe you already have started but need a little direction, leave your questions down in the comment section and we're going to come back to this in another video. So I'm still working on this video. I'm my assistant here. And so I'm doing these transitions, you guys, but then I was like so concentrated on the transition that I just look like funny afterwards. Like I look like I'm like totally thinking about what the transition's gonna look like. So then it kind of doesn't work. I don't know. I'm playing around with it, but I want to get this up today. And then Kirsten and I are filming something really exciting tonight. Like honestly, okay, I filmed this and I don't know, it makes me a little uncomfortable. I've been talking about for so long, and I'm about to glam Kirsten exactly like moi. We're thinking about doing contacts.
Yeah, that'll be interesting.
But I don't want to like ruin the makeup. That's always the tricky part.
I've never actually done them, so we'll see.
Fingers crossed. But yeah, I'm excited for the makeup part. We're gonna get into it and we'll check back in later. I don't know. You guys, look how beautiful Kirsten looks.
You're so sweet. Stop it.
I'm just like, wow, it's the Disney.
I mean, you did it all.
Hey, but what about the brow transformation though? I told you it was gonna work.
I'm not complaining. At first I was like, whew.
I was too.
Hopefully she picks up.
Oh,
Hi.
that is scary. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Show mom. You're on Chrissy's vlog, you weirdo.
Oh, wow, that's cool. I was like, wait, am I seeing something wrong here? Wait. Whoa, I just hung up on him. Okay, you can't use that for your dating app.
Chrissy filmed a video. She's going to do it on YouTube, but you guys are on her vlog right now.
Huh? I've been doing chores.
Sup guys, I did not vlog my workout, my bad. We're alternating hip thrusts and then rowing on the row machine. I have to be honest, I had zero energy during this workout because I didn't eat today. I did not eat on purpose. I was just literally filming all day long. So my cousin and I are gonna go to Sugarfish. She still has her makeup done. Well, obviously, because she didn't come to work out, which I didn't blame her because I was like, whoa, sir. Like, don't, like, stay out of a hungry bitch's way, you know? Wednesday I was filming all day. Thursday I was editing all day. I've been busy, but right now it's about 9:30 a.m. I am headed to a meeting. Today is my last cousin's day in town, which I'm actually sad about. I feel like the week just like flew by. But yeah, I also have my workout today at 4. We're gonna be hip thrusting, which I'm excited for. And yeah, like as far as food goes, I've been mostly eating at home. Like I'll prep salads. I've been having lots of like Brussels sprouts, salmon, cod, and I feel like it's been really easy to just eat clean right now because I'm so busy. And I don't really have time to be like snacking, which is, you know, a big part of the problem before. Like I was bored, so I would look to food to like occupy myself, to, you know, medicate. It's crazy because this is like the longest I've been consistent in so long with like no binge eating. I haven't even really been eating bad, but like the other night I was like, oh, I need some chocolate. Like I did, and I don't feel bad about it. And that's like, I'm like, it's the new me. Keep your hands on the wheel. I can really like feel that I'm building my confidence back, and it has nothing to do with my weight, my looks, my bank account, my chihuahuas. It really is about, just like Mel Robbins said in the 5-second rule, it's authentic pride, and all my confidence right now is being based on my ability to show up for myself. And I just feel like everything that I'm doing right now is what I need to be doing. And sometimes I'm like, dude, I've been on the go, like I have barely any free time, but I don't need the free time. Like free time is bad for me. This is like time for me to focus on me. And it's not like I have like kids who I'm neglecting or something. So this is like just time for me to like put my head down and focus. And I'm honestly really enjoying it right now. How are you feeling after your YouTube debut?
I feel so good. Everyone's been so sweet and nice, and it was honestly really fun. The video cracks me up just because it's you and I to a T. So yeah, I feel good. And hello to everyone.